So we're looking at 2209 Cleveland in West Lawn. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath with a garage, which goes into the basement, and basement's partially finished, could be a third. It's gas with wall unit heating and a nice backyard. Let's go check it out. Yeah, underneath the redone flooring is actually original hardwood, so when you walk in, you actually have a great view. It is wall unit air conditioning, but it does cool the whole home. So you walk into the living room, and then it goes into the kitchen, which we'll check out in a minute. All right, off of the living room is actually the first bedroom. It's currently being used as an office, but there's plenty of room. And that goes into the bathroom, which has been remodeled. And walks into the master. And the master does have a walk-in closet, which is really nice. And here's a view of the kitchen, which has been remodeled. It's gas cooking. Even room for a dishwasher. All right, the basement is not finished, but you can see it's made well use of the space. There is a small little bar, powder room, your laundry. There's also an area that can be used for entertaining, and you still have some storage here. Nice thing about the basement is it goes right into the garage, so if you're a car person, there's plenty of room for a vehicle. The attic does have some room if you want some additional storage space. That's fine. So the home does have a nice area for outdoor entertaining, an area for grilling, and it does include a hot tub. All right, thank you for previewing 2209 Cleveland. Give me a call, 610-209-9219 to check out this nice home.